Welcome to my review of AutoProfitSite. In this video, I'm going to do the review of AutoProfitSite, which is an done for you automated profit site, done for you free traffic, done for you list building, done for you recurring monthly commission, and done for you high ticket sales. I'm also going to show you the member area and what they're offering here, as well as I also have some of the bonus prepared for it. So AutoProfitSite is a 100% done for you profit system and a cloud-based app that include multiple monetization method, including the free traffic by Glenn Kasky. He's having a lot of amazing products out there, and it is almost done for you system. In short, guys, this is a brand new app provide you with 100% done for you automated profit site that allow you to generate commission from variety of recurring affiliate offers, guys. A high ticket automated webinar and will automatically build your email list at the same time. When someone wants to purchase one of the recurring affiliate product or via the automated webinar, they will need to obtain your email list, meaning you will build the email list as well as. This is the first done for you solution that automates 3 kinds of passive income for you from inside one single platform while building your list at the same time. So I will recommend you to go into this and read all these things. Let me show you a few of the bonuses before I show you the member area. So here you can see this is the bonus page. The link is given in the description, and this bonus is going to expire on Monday, August 24th. So before that, you have to get this. Entire system is for $17 front end, and then you also have the one-time offer and all that I'm going to share you within a second. So this is the bonus here. You can see this is how to get more traffic in 2020. So this is 9 new strategies, guys, to get traffic to your website or your auto profit sites. Already they have the done for your traffic for you guys, but this will also going to help you to drive tons of traffic. All right, and this is from Brand Dean. So this 9 strategy is definitely going to help you to drive tons of traffic. As well as, guys, in the bonus too, I have 33 way to monetize your website and blog. You can monetize your blog and website in so many ways, but I included more here. So this is some of the monetization method which can bring you a lot of profit. As well as this is one of my personal method, right, where I build almost 10,000 emails promoting ClickBank products, right, especially this kinds of automated webinar only. So you will get a lot of values how you can promote your site and get and build your email list, which is already automated with AutoProfitSite. So here in the bonus 4, how to make money with Google AdSense for beginners. If you're a beginner, this will definitely help you, right, to make $100, with Google AdSense. Okay. And then you have a bonus 5, which is 11 proven ways to drive traffic to your website. It's a proven ways, guys, how you can drive traffic to a new website, even if you have an old website. Traffic is really important. So all these bonus, guys, you can get immediately if you can click here, and you have to get this before the bonus page expire, that is of 24th of August. So once if you click here somewhere, right, it will take you to this page, and here you can complete your buying process, and the interface will be like this. And from here you can access the purchase of the product, as well as you can also access my bonuses. Okay, all these things you have to get right away right now. So all these bonuses, guys, including the auto profit site, is going to be $17 for you. Okay, so now let's get into here the member area. Let me show you what you have here. So here you can see this is the dashboard. This is a welcome message. Here you can see all the welcome messages there, right? You can subscribe his channel, and the training itself you can go from here. And also here, so this is the place you have to set up your profile, right? Your name and your the password, the image, photo, as well as, guys, here you can see all the social media links which you want to update. You can do this. So now you have a training here. So here you can see this, guys, you have all the training about how to use this software. The first video is all about the overview from the Glenn Kasky, as well as, guys, here you can see insert your affiliate link training, right? So you have all those things, like how to connect your autoresponder, because you have to collect the emails here, right? And here you can see how to create your ads as well as logos. Okay, so it is all right. I'm going to show you in a second. As well as, guys, here you can see how to set up your site. The entire campaign is going to show you. Create your own blog funnel. So it's going to show you how to write a blog so that you can put the high ticket items content there, so that you can promote with the traffic. And then you have, guys, conversion tool here, and then you have a bonus builder which will allow you to create a bonus builder, as well as the best part, guys, they also have a traffic, how to get the traffic. So here you can see this is going to show you how to get the solo ad traffic, and this is how to get the video ads from YouTube traffic, and then how to get the traffic from the Instagram and all. You can see here And they also have these other 4 traffic ways which is covered here, and then some of the important product which is going to help you to rank your content or the blog in the search engine result page or the videos. Okay, so all these things is already there, so you don't need to worry guys, because all the training things is already given here, and that is very, very important if you want to use this, right, auto profit site. And then you have a guys autoresponder here. So this is the autoresponder, and here you can see Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, wherever you want to collect the emails guys, just you can connect here. Okay, or you can also make your account new account and you can collect the emails. You can also collect the emails in the auto profit site itself, as well as guys you can also connect the this autoresponders here, very easy, because the video is there, and then you can collect the emails, which is really, really important. And the very important thing is guys, that is done for you funnel. So here is the place guys we are going to make money. So this is the 4-page funnel, and the first one is like blog page, and then you have a bridge page, webinar page, and download page. So let me open this one, blog page. So here you can see this is a video over here. That means you can put any video here, and any of these things you can make change. So everything is editable here, so you can edit and you can put whatever the offer you're promoting. So this is the place guys, this is the page where you're going to drive the traffic. Okay, wherever from you're driving the traffic, because they already have a done for you traffic, and in my bonus you're going to get more ideas of getting traffic to this page. Okay, so this is very easy to edit, you don't need to create anything here. And then you have a bridge page here. So this is the place guys where they're gonna see the webinar. Okay, everything is already ready here. You can see this, your live training or the webinar is going to start, so all these things you can change, the social media logos and all this you can change guys, so that you can grow your account and get a lot of traffic from social media also. And then you have guys this webinar page where they will go to the webinar. Okay, finally they're going to watch this webinar here. Okay, and they will see all this webinar and all those things over here. Okay, so this is very easy. And at the end you have a download page, where you want to allow your audience, target audience, to buy or to get some lead magnet. Whatever you promise in the beginning, you have to deliver them in the download page, okay, after the webinar. Okay, that's how the entire funnel works. So guys, everything is easy here, everything is ready, just you can edit and all. And here if you want to create your new funnel, you can click here to create funnel, and you can create again this entire funnel. And then you have guys affiliate info. So here you can see all the product guys, you don't need to run back of looking for the high ticket products, okay, like Wids, Presso, and Vid Commission, ClickBank Profit, Omni Blaster. So already they have inserted some of the affiliate product here, okay, which you can again edit and you can use to create the funnel the same way. Okay, the 4-page funnel you can create with this, okay, this product also. So that is an amazing place, and you can add more here. Click to add affiliate links, you can add a lot of things, and already you have seen they have the training on all of these things. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that also. And then you have guys logos and ads. So now here you can see you can create your own logos, okay, and you can download those logos, like create a side banner, create a banner, create a logo. Just click here, name your the brand or the logo, and then you can select the dimensions which you needed, and just you can create here. So everything is in a one place guys, you don't need to run back off like Fiverr, ClickBank, ClickFunnels, all those things. Everything is there. That's why it is done for you auto profit site. And then you have this blog builder here guys, which can allow you to create again the blog from the scratch. So if you don't want to use this done for you funnels, you can create your own blog and all of this again and again. Okay, and then you can also get the unlimited traffic and bonus builder and all those things, tools are there. But one of the very important thing is guys, the free traffic. Now here to get the free traffic, they already have the video. We have to watch this video, and these are the software they are giving away so that you can get free traffic, like Affiliate Traffic Lab, and then you have a viral newsjacker and Tube Traffic Machine. It says two more softwares, and they also have a complete training here, your training traffic training here. So you can optimize 3 software. So now you're getting 4 software guys, just once if you buy auto profit site, you can get these 3 softwares which will rank your blog or the funnel which you created. Okay, and that's how they are giving here. And also you can get your free traffic guide here, and all the trainings are available here. And if you get from my link, which is given in the description, guys, you will get the bonuses also, which you have to cover before 24th. And you can get all these things, right? Auto profit site and all those 3 software plus my bonus only for $17. Okay, you can get all these things the $17, which I have prepared all the bonuses over here. So you have to make click here anywhere right before the page expire, and it will take you to the page here, and you can complete your process, buying process here, and then you have the window like this, and here you can access all the bonuses. And also guys, here you can see you have other one-time offers. A unlimited version, that means you can get the unlimited version. That means you can create unlimited funnel, unlimited landing page, unlimited landing page templates, banner creation with the same software. Okay, if you upgrade, so you can buy in $17. They also have a money back guarantee, and then you have 100% done for you funnel, right? Which you can use. There are many things you can get there. It's a completely unlimited again, right? And then you have unlimited traffic that you if you need more traffic, they have more option there, which once if you upgrade there. And then they have $30K in 30 days version, where you can get a lot of other conversion tools like hello bar, pop-up, banners, etc. and all, right? Super affiliate version they also have, right, to sell more other product. And then you will get the full license right of this product, right, which you can promote. Okay, and then at the end you have a auto profit boost. So all these things, guys, which begins from $17, okay, with my bonuses and all. So link is given in the description, guys. You can go there right away, right now, before this page expired, and you can check this auto profit site, which is a done for you website where you can collect the emails, and you can also promote the high ticket item, sell a high ticket item, and recurring commission. Hope you liked it. Smash that like button, and if you have something which you want to know more about this product, let me know in the comment. Thank you.